Hey, what's going on, guys? Super excited to be here in this new video for you guys. In today's video, what I want to talk about is how to catch those super crazy, super duper sniper crazy ass entries that, leave everyone mad that you're getting crazy ass super duper sniper fucking entries, right? But corniness aside, today's video, I really just want to break down trade recap, breakdown, lecture, education, case study, whatever you want to call it, on a trade that we took on the AUD USD this morning, March 1st. We took this during New York session. So we had a combination of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and then time-based analysis, right? And what I want to do for the next few moments that we share together is go over this, show you guys how we caught this, and break down how you could be a part of it as well, right? So first things first, I'm going to just make myself small. Put myself here. I think I look good here. Let me think. I think I look good here. All right, sweet. So first things first. When it comes down to this specific analysis, let's do this. We'll save that for later. So first things first, when it comes down to this specific analysis, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring up a brand new AUD USD just because I want to make sure that you guys can understand my thought process when I was walking through this. Now, if you guys don't know, we go live in our premium group chat every day. And some days I'm feeling froggy, so I jump on the YouTube sessions. All the free sessions we do are on YouTube. So this is what, 12 hours ago, 12 hours ago on YouTube live stream. YouTube live stream is actually really dope. I don't know if you guys have ever tried. I'm going to make my sessions look better. Right now they look kind of whack. But YouTube live, man, oh man, this was it, right? You got your little green circle right here showing you it's live. Here was the current price action. You guys obviously saw the aftermath in that screenshot. Now, my goal is going to be to explain to you guys why our education is so fire when it comes down to the community, right? Because at the end of the day, yeah, we send signals, we trade live, but the key thing is education. Right now, we just dropped the Trade Star Strategies course 2.0. So if you guys don't know, the 2.0 version of the course is super fire. And we're offering a year subscription to our close friends, our signal group, our mentorship, whatever you want to call it, for our live trading and our signals. For the first 10 people that buy the Trade Star Strategies course, we're giving them 1 year of the signals for free. So they're saving like $1,500 for the year. Right now, there's a few spots left for the first 10, but after the first 10, we're just going to clip it. So, I mean, who knows? By the time you watch this video, this might not be there. But if it is, hey, shoot us a DM, send us a message. If you purchase this, you're more than welcome to, see if you qualify for the 1 year off of the subscription. And then let's go ahead and jump into this. So AUD USD. First things first. We had this relative zone. Now, I'm looking at this on a 5-minute perspective. I'll just give you guys a higher time frame look on what I was seeing. My thought process on this was really simple. Let me grab this. I don't know why. I really like this arrow marker tool. I feel like you know exactly what I'm talking about when I'm pointing at stuff with this. Well, first things first is we had this big bearish leg to the downside, right? Now, we could see that based off of a 15-minute time frame. We could just say price came through and put in this lowest low down here. Now, once we put in this lowest low down here, price pulled back, it put in a lower high, right? We can say this is the lower high, that put in this lower low, that put in this lower high, and so on and so forth, right? The next thing that I really, really liked about this setup specifically, I'll give you guys my walkthrough. I'm gonna put the replay tool on. Here was the entry though. Snipe, right? That's one account that I'm trading on. And then I have a few more screenshots. I'll show you guys as we progress through the video. But first things first is we have to understand that there is liquidity above and below every low, right? There's liquidity. We're going to put this sad little guy. Just liquidity down up in here, right? So first thing comes to first. We see that price comes through and it puts in another, you guessed it, it puts in another low. So as price comes through and it puts in this low, what we have to take away from this is the fact that price just put in this new low, right? So we have to consider that, hey, this is the lower high that put in this new lower low. Now, since that happens, we have to assume price is bearish. Now, what ended up happening was price came through and it had a break of structure, change of character, whatever you want to call it. Everyone calls it something different, but it put in a new higher high. So now we have to assume it is bullish. So based off of that, we came through, we started trading. There was this 1 hour candle here. We looked at the 50% of this, boom. That lined up with this 30-minute candle. And our original entry was this. We took price from here. Oh, shoot. We took price down here. And then we shot up for, previous highs. Now, what ended up happening was price came through, tapped us in, gave us a few different re-entry opportunities. We got in. We also refied our trade as well. But this was our first attempt. And the thing I loved most about this attempt was we had some nice divergence on it. I love divergence. So price went up and it finally started moving up. We moved our stops to break even and we took some partials up here because this is about 50% of this move, right? I mean, I didn't put it on here, but, we had a very deep extension off the fib, 88.6 as well, which is nice. That did that. And then we came back, price came back to our entry, and it stopped us at break even. We took some partials in the chat, but it stopped us at break even. But in reality, what happened was we built up some, you guessed it, more liquidity. What I want you guys to understand is the concepts in regards to smart money concepts are now becoming the old smart money concepts are becoming the new retail concepts. So let me explain that to you guys. Really quick. Just bring myself back here. So what I want you guys to understand by what I just said is that if too many people are doing things the same way, they stop to work, right? You can see all these traders nowadays talking about, oh man, in 2019, in 2020, 21, the same trades that I was crushing it, taking my smart money, imbalance, fair value, order block, blah, 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 are the same trades that they're constantly losing. So what you guys have to understand is every season, the market is adapting, it's changing, and the old stuff that used to work no longer necessarily works. It works, but there's a lot of traps in the market. You're going to get set up for a lot of traps. What you want to do is avoid traps. Avoiding traps can be difficult if you don't even understand what a trap is. But one of the biggest things I could say in regards to the traps is just understand what everyone else is doing and then kind of just wait for them to get boned, right? So now what happened next? We made this move. Price started to go up, right? Cool. This move happened in retrospect to time zones. This is about 7 to 8 a.m. my time, right? Going into New York session. Perfect. So what do we have? I see we have this last candle down before the big move up. So you guessed it, we threw our entry right here. We had our stops down below. And this trade was a 6.8 pip stop loss. And then what we did is we targeted these previous highs for 38 pips. Our entry was somewhere up in here. Our TP was exactly 38 pips. Perfect. Now, price comes down. Oh, went too fast. Sorry. All right. So now we're in real time, right? We're right here. No cap in the wrap. Look where we're at. Real time. Right? Look at the thing. I don't know how to zoom. I don't know how I can zoom in using my mouse. It's not an Apple mouse. But you know, I mean, it's right there. You feel me? Like, it's common sense. So now what are we seeing? Once again, you guessed it, my favorite confluence. Dun, dun, dun. Divergence, right? And the last thing we correlated was we had USD news. USD news was coming out 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Let me slow this bad boy down. I'll go down to the 5. So this is where on stream we literally entered right here on stream. And then boom, news came out. I closed one account early. Closed it like right off the rip. I was like, oh shit, it's going crazy. I let one of my bigger accounts ride. But it was amazing. No manipulation, no bullshit, no nothing. Just straight to entry, straight to TP. And then obviously we ended up finishing this move. It was super fire, right? Now, as of late, as you guys have been seeing on our Instagram, we've been trading via MetaTrader 4. So right now, the broker we're using for MetaTrader 4, it's called Ventura. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm gonna link the link to Ventura in the description. But guys, this broker is sick just because they still offer MetaTrader. Personally, all the different platforms are cool. But, the trading experience has been amazing. I'm actually really enjoying the like quality of executions. The spreads are small. The take profits, the stop losses, the pending orders. I haven't had a pending order get missed because my sniper entry was too sniper. The spread hasn't like wicked me out of anything yet. Like, I'm really enjoying the quality of the services. And it also helps when you're catching these trades where the stop loss is so small. I've noticed on some brokers I'm trading, I have these very tight stop losses that could be like from 3 to 5 pips and beyond, right? And one of the things that sucks about trading that way is just that sometimes my trades get knocked out just because of the spread or whatnot. But guys, really like Ventura. I'm fucking with it super heavy right now. But with that being said, in regards to it, we got a lot of stuff cooking, guys. This was a beautiful setup. This is a 1 to 6.3 was the one we did on stream. I know it says 6.4, but that was the one we did on stream. It's as simple as that, and at the end of the day, what we want to do is we want to help you guys achieve whatever it is that you're looking to achieve out of these markets. So, we took a couple pokes at AUD/USD, some partials, some break evens before we finally had the banger, right? But, at the end of the day, once you get it, you get it. So, guys, definitely take advantage of it. If you guys want to learn how to take trades like this on your own and be able to see the market this way, the TradeStar V2 strategies course is right here. And depending on when you get started, you might just get 1 year of the TradeStar Close Friends, the premium group where we're giving out the signals, the trade ideas, whatever you want to call them. We're giving out the live trading sessions where we educate and go over the charts. None of this is financial advice. It's all just education. but that's where we do it. So with that being said, guys, we appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this one. If you thought this trade was fire, let me know if you guys have been on any of the YouTube live streams. If you're enjoying the YouTube live streams, let me know if you want more. We got the Telegram, the Discord, the WAP, the broker link. We got everything in the freaking bio. So with that being said, guys, we appreciate y'all. Love y'all. See you in the next one. Peace.